Hey guys, I want to share with you a very simple dessert that I had the other day, and it was so good that I'm going to make it for you. I went to a friend's house and they had made this, and it was so good. It was only 3 ingredients. So I'm going to make it for you. I loved it, and we're going to have it today. It is 1 can of apple pie filling. So simple. 3 ingredients. 1 box of spiced cake mix. 1 box of spiced cake mix. Man, that smells good. And 3 eggs. How easy is this? I can even use the can as a trash can. Put my eggshells in. Wow. Okay, we're going to give it a mix with the mixer. Wow, that was so easy. Okay, we're going to spray the pan with Baker's Joy. We're going to get it right in a 9 by 13 pan. And I have my oven is preheating to 350 degrees. Wow, I love 3 ingredient dishes, especially during the holiday time, you know, when you got to go to someone's house and you've been cooking in the kitchen, all the parties and the get-togethers. So I know this is good because I've had it. And I would definitely take this to a party. My oven's not even preheated yet. My oven is not even preheated. It was so fast and so easy. 1 box of cake mix, spiced cake mix, and 1 can of apple pie filling. I'm wondering if we could do it with a different cake mix and a different pie filling. Do I dare make another one? Let me go see what I got. Okay, we're going to get this into our preheated 350 degree oven for 35 minutes. I got to make another one because that was just so easy. So I'm thinking, I went back there in my pantry and I was looking around, and I'm thinking a red velvet and a country cherry might be amazing. So let's give it a shot. Okay, the first thing we do is we are going to put in a can of the cherry pie filling. Wow. This is just so easy. This is just so easy. I'm thinking this might be great to take, you can jazz it up a little bit. The red velvet one, you can put a little bit of drizzle of white icing. Oh, either one would be great with white icing. Or, you know, like a drizzle. Oh my gosh. A glaze. Okay, now we need 3 eggs. Man, if we can make 2 cakes in 5 minutes. Oh my gosh, how amazing. I did have to wash the beaters. What hard work. we're going to make sure we get this all stirred in. Wow, this looks really nice. Okay, we're going to spray our cake pan. I've got a pretty, it's a pinkish color 9 by 13. I think that'd be beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Hey, my husband's going to come home and say, what in the world? Did you have a massive sweet tooth? Okay, we're going to get this first cake out of the oven, the apple spice cake. That is gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? I don't know if I want to make it a 4-ingredient cake with a little drizzle or just keep it as 3. Hard decision. Wow. I'm pretty impressed. I wish you guys could smell my house right now. It smells amazing. I mean, it smells like fall. Comfort. Football game's fixing to start and my house smells just like fall. Holiday time. Oh my gosh. Guess what I found the other day? My plate racks, you know, my husband put them somewhere. My cooling racks, I should say. My husband put them somewhere and I couldn't find them. Well, I found them. They fell on my head. I don't know how. Don't ask me how. They were in that cabinet up there. I don't know. We're going to let it cool. Look at that bottom. Ooh, looks so good. Going to let it cool for a few minutes. And then I'm going to decide, what would you do? Would you put a little like powdered sugar and a little bit of milk on it? But that would make it 5 ingredients. It would change the 3-ingredient cake if we add something. I guess it could be a 4-ingredient. I don't know. I'm going to take and turn it up. Wow. That is gorgeous. Okay, we're just going to let it cool and we're going to decide what we're going to do. Wow. Look at that cake. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. You know what that says? That says Christmas. Wow. Gorgeous. I'm excited. I'm letting them cool and I'm still thinking, what am I going to do? Am I going to frost them or glaze them or just eat them by themselves? I got this little platter out to put my apple spice cake on, and I decided I am going to drizzle it. So it'll be 4 ingredients. Isn't that just gorgeous? So what I'm going to do is I've got some just a little bit of, I got some vanilla icing. I got it from the Dollar Tree a while ago, and I need to use it up. I'm going to heat it up and I'm going to pour it right over my cakes. Now we're going to dump out the red velvet. Wow, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to try it. Okay, I'm just going to drizzle it. We're not going to put a full coating of icing. We're just going to kind of drizzle it because we're going to use this one thing for both these cakes. Just a little bit of vanilla frosting. This cake's so simple. I would take this anywhere. I would take this to a church potluck. I would take this to Christmas party at work. I think it's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Use this one. Wow. That's going to be pretty too. And we're going to do the same thing. We'll just put a little bit of icing right on top. And you could decorate this one if you wanted to. It'd be really cute with some kind of Christmas candy. Peppermint. Oh my gosh. If you wanted to add a little bit of crushed peppermint to this, that would be gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. I'm impressed. I just love these cakes. Okay. We are going to try them. Guys, you have to make this. You're going to love it. I absolutely love, love, love this. And add a little drizzle or you don't have to. This is amazing. It's so moist and delicious. You're going to love it. You're not going to like it. You're going to love it. Trust me. You're going to love it. That's so good. Oh my gosh. One of the best. That is so good. You don't taste the cherry at all. It tastes like a red velvet cake. I'm floored. Absolutely floored. I hope you guys will make these cakes, these 3 ingredients or 4, however you want to call it. I guess it's a 4 if you add the frosting, 3 if you don't. Absolutely. I'm blown away. I knew I had tried the other day, but I had not even thought about the red velvet and cherry till I go in my pantry. And it's amazing. You guys, oh my goodness, I can't believe it. I want to say thank you guys for watching, for commenting, for being the best audience on YouTube. If you're having a bad day, go get you these 3 ingredients, make you a cake. But get one more thing, get some candles. And start as you put each candle on the cake, not for your birthday. Think of something you're grateful for. Put that candle on there and say, I'm grateful for this. Put that candle on there. Say, I'm grateful for that. Start looking at all the things you're grateful for. Set aside your problems and start looking at all the good that is in your life. There is good. You are alive. You are important. You are needed. You may not think so, but you need you. Don't think about the negative. Go enjoy your life. Go make you a cake, get you some candles, and start thinking about all the wonderful blessings you have in your life. We all have sad days. Life can be hard. But enjoy. enjoy it. You only get one, and it goes so fast. You guys are the best audience on YouTube. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.